Let's start on a positive note. I think it's great that LinkedIn is interested in collecting this type of information. I honestly, good on them for being interested in this type of data, even though I don't think this question is actually going to get them anything useful related to this question. The thought is there, the thought counts. In this case, the question counts more though. So, one other positive that I want to point out is that they time bound this question. They say conversations in my feed today. This time bound is amazing. This is super important because you want to give people a frame of reference to think about when they're answering your questions, and they give you a very clear one. We want you to think about today. Amazing. Love that. Highly recommend you time bound your questions as well. So, things that I don't love about this question. A lot of you pointed out there's a neutral response category. As you know, I am not a fan of. In this instance, the conversations in my feed today feel respectful and welcoming. Neutral. They either feel respectful and welcoming, or they don't, or you don't know, but don't know isn't an option. So, not a fan. Don't think the neutral response category is helpful here. Speaking of unhelpful response categories, this dot in between neutral and disagree and in between neutral and agree, what the F do those mean? How would you even report that data out? Be like, this many percentage of people selected a circle in between neutral and agree. Say what the heck that category means. I don't know what I mean. Is that agree a little bit? Is it a mistake where there are only supposed to be 3 dots? Not a fan. Think it's kind of sloppy. Not good data. And lastly, feel respectful and welcoming. And is a huge red-barreled. A double-barreled question asks about 2 different things at the same time. In this case, they're asking about respectful and welcoming. What if they feel respectful and not welcoming? What if they feel welcoming and not respectful? How do I answer that question? One question, one topic. Don't ask about 2 things at the same time. Don't use the word and. If you see the word and, it's a sign that you're cramming 2 different topics into the same thing. Sometimes this happens and people are like, oh, but it's really I mean the same thing by respectful and welcoming. Well, then just pick which one you like best, or test it with people and see which one resonates the most with them. I would love to rewrite this question. In order to do that, I would want to know what the goal they have for this question. How are they going to use this information? What does it mean to feel respectful and welcoming? Towards what ends? Because then we can write a much more clear question to get them information that they can actually use and have it be helpful.